Marrakesh, Morocco, made rosebud, 500 grams of mixed spices. Wish you could smell this stuff, man. Hello friends, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in again. Another episode of the Backyard Warrior. Today we're in Marrakesh, Morocco to get some spices. We're trying to get a spice blend called Ras el Hanout. Ras el Hanout means the head of the shop. It's a Moroccan blend, very popular here. It has a bunch of spices. And we're gonna check out this guy here. This is my trusted spice shop. In the heart of Marrakesh, 156-454. Anybody needs spices, that's the name. All kind of goodies here. Beautiful shop with all the spices, fresh. Prices are good. Everything look good. And service is nice. Everybody's cordial here, friendly. From ginger, turmeric, star anise, long pepper, Galangal, Nutmeg, Allspice, mace, Cardamom, cinnamon, white pepper, rosebuds in it as well. So now this is 500 grams of mixed spices. You have whole spices. It's better to leave them whole so they stay fresh for longer. If you grind this, it will last 6-8 months. Powder, if you leave it whole, it might last you 3 to 4 years. So this is half a kilo of spices. Like I said, usually I leave it whole until I need it and grind whatever I need. All right. This is the first grind, the coarse grind. We're gonna do another one, that's fine. Now, time for a fine grind. Oh man, the smell comes out of this. Oh wow. See, now we got a fine grind here. This is a half a kilo of Ras el Hanout. Color is beautiful.
Hay gente también que tiene para la casa, es como que hay más de como vapor.
I wish you could smell this stuff, man. Beautiful, fragrant, a bunch of spices in here. This will make your food taste like heaven. So this is the final product right here. This thing is half a kilo of Ras el Hanout. Like I said again, Ras el Hanout means head of the shop. So this is 15 spices in here. All of this stuff here, most of it. So here I work out with half a pound of cumin, Moroccan cumin, and a pound of Ras el Hanout. So this is it for this one. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you again.